Jai Sriman O Sita, some of the divine categorized people like Kinnaras also wandering here and there. There are so many waterfalls, Sita. Look at those waterfalls. And also, Sita, because so many wonderful, fragranceful flowers all over on this Chitrakuta mountain, those fragrances coming to our noses like anything. It is giving us so much great feeling. Oh, Sita, that is why I am feeling so much relaxed here. I don't really the Ayodhya does not come to my mind so often now because of the relaxation I am getting here. Oh Sita, I think even if we are able to, even if we ended up staying years together, we will be doing okay here because we don't really feel like going back to Ayodhya. To that extent, this Chitrakutam is giving me so much pleasantness. Oh Sita, you know what? With this Vanavasam, I got two main benefits. One benefit is I was able to fulfill whatever my father asked. Pitruvakya Paripalana, that I could do. And the another benefit that I got is I could give the most best thing to my brother Bharata, that is kingdom. These two benefits I got with this Vanavasam. Oh Sita, and also like this, even our elderly people, even our ancestors, like our grandfathers, great-grandfathers, I heard they used to come like this to the forests to live here for few years with all their control, conquering their organs, sensory organs. They used to live here like rishis, so that with the help of that kind of vanaprastham, that kind of conquering the sensory organs, that kind of tapasya, they were able to attain moksham. That is what I heard, Sita. So now we can also live here and in the entire forest for 14 years with all of our Indriya Nigraham. Let us just control, conquer our sensory organs, and with all kind of rules and regulations while following the prescriptions of our scriptures, let us live in this forest for 14 years, and then we can definitely enjoy our kingdom and pleasures of the kingdom after 14 years. Like this, Ramachandra Swami having a nice conversation with Sita Devi while going here and there on Chitrakuta Parvatam. Sri Ramachandra Swami showing entire Chitrakuta Parvatam to Sitamma. In that process, Ramachandra Swami showing Ganga Nadi also to Sitamma, saying that, "Oh Sita, look at that. There are so many variety flowers are there on both banks of Ganga. With that, Ganga Nadi is looking so beautiful. Oh Sita, look at that. So many animals as a group, they are coming and drinking the water in Ganga Nadi. Look at that scene, how beautiful it is looking. Oh Sita, now I am feeling like having a dip in this Ganga Nadi. Oh Sita, look at that scene. All the people, they are having matted hair and they are wearing a naravastram like uttariyam, top cloth, and with all kind of niyama nishtha, with rules and regulations, following all rules and regulations. Look at that, all the great sages taking dip, doing snanam in this Ganga Nadi. Oh Sita, on other side you can see all the great munis, rishis, They have finished their snanam. They did take the dip in Ganga Nadi, and while standing in the Ganga Nadi, they are doing Sandhya Vandanam and Suryopasana. How beautiful that scene is. Look at that. Oh Sita, now I am feeling that this stay in this Chitrakutam is more and more happier than the stay in Ayodhya. O Sita, vidhuta kalushaihi siddhaihi tapodama samanvitaha. All the great sages, great rishis, having conquered all their sensory organs, having been doing so much of tapas, they have completely washed out their sins. Such great people taking snanam, doing snanam in this Ganga Nadi, with the touch of their feet, this Ganga is also getting purified. O Sita, in this Ganga, let both of us have a dip in this Ganga, take snanam in this Ganga Nadi. O Sita, now you should not be missing Ayodhya at all, because you can definitely think all the animals and all the entities over here is like our Ayodhya people. You can definitely think that this Chitrakutam itself is our Ayodhya. You start feeling that this Ganga Nadi is our Sarayu Nadi. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.